Now note down, children, after these properties, an integer is negative means it is less than 0. Other words, if any integer is minus, negative, then 0 will always greater than that integer. Second rule, if an integer is positive, means it is greater than 0. It means the integer is always greater than 0. Example, 4 is an integer, 0 is also integer, and 4 is a positive number, so 4 is greater than 0. Hereafter, using DMAS. How we use it? Listen. If an expression has more than one fundamental operations, we perform operations using the rule of DMAS. That is, first of all, we perform division, then multiplication, then addition, and at last subtraction. So this is the way by which we solve the DMAS sum. In DMAS, first of all, we divide, then multiply, then addition, and then subtraction. It should be strictly followed. Now, let's discuss a few questions. First question is, divide minus 117 by 9. So let's divide this number by 9. So here we have to divide 9 to 117. 9 1 ja 9, 2 remainder, bring down 7, 9 3 ja, what we have? 27. Remainder here will come 0. So if you divide 9 to minus 117, here follow the rule, any negative integer divided by positive integer, the answer must in minus. So minus sign must be there. And 9, if you divide this 117, 9 1 ja 9, 2 remainder, bring down 7, 9 3 ja 27. So obtained, minus 13 is the quotient of the case, and that's the answer. Let's take another question. Your next question here is, divide 272 by minus 17. It means 272. Here the solution will become like this. 272 upon minus 17. Now, positive number divided by negative number, the quotient must minus, so we write in the beginning this minus sign. Now 272 divided by 17. So let's do the division. 17 1 ja 17. Remainder 10. 7 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. Bring down 2. 17 6 ja 102. And remainder 0. So we find here the 16 quotient, and the answer is here the minus 16. So obtained is required answer. Let's take another question. Minus 384 divided by 16. 16 you are dividing this 384. 16 2 ja 32. 6 remainder, bring down 4. 16 4 ja 64. Quotient here is the 24. Remainder is 0. Let's see the steps of calculation. Minus 384 divided by 16. Here the first number, that is dividend, is negative, divisor is the positive. If you simplify, answer must come minus as per the rules. 384 divided by 16. 16 2 ja 32. Remainder 66. Bring down 4. 6 4 ja 24. So obtained minus 24, your required answer of the case. Let's take another question. Question number 4. Divide 0 by minus 82. So here your dividend is 0, divisor is minus 82. I have told you, go to the rules once again. When we divide 0 by any number, answer must come 0. So obtained 0 is your answer. Hereafter, let's come question number 5. Evaluate 42 divided by 7 plus 4. So here we have to follow the BODMAS strictly. Here two signs are used, division and addition. Give priority to division over addition. It means first of all you divide 42 divided by 7. 7 1 just 7. 7 6 42. We have got the 6. Now you write down 6 and then copy down this. 4, 6 plus 4, 10. So obtain is your required answer 10. Let's take another example. 13 minus 12 divided by 4 into 2. First of all, as per the BODMAS, divide 12 by 4. 4 3 is 12. 3 we get. Now you have to multiply 3 into 2. 3 2 is 6. 13 minus 6 will give you the 7. So obtain 7 is your required answer. Now children, I would like to repeat, you have to go through these basic concepts of the chapter very carefully several times and try to understand it very well. If you understand this thoroughly, you find the chapter easy and interesting. Okay? Thank you very much. May God bless you all with wisdom and knowledge. Have a nice day.